So when you purchase your ASRock B650 Lightning, it has a couple of hidden tricks that people didn't know. So I'm going to show you here. You can actually go BIOS and install pretty much all the drivers that you connect to it. Now, not every driver is going to pick up, but most of them are pretty good and they're going to pick up very good into the system automatically. So it's something that's hidden into mostly a lot of the new motherboards. So let me take you step by step how to turn it on and how to enable it. All right, this year we're going to CES 2026. Join us for full coverage. We're going to have live features. Not only that, interviews, reviews, and other things. So stick around and I hope you guys subscribe, hit that like, and see us at CES 2026. I'm going to show you something here in advance where, tools. You could actually set up your auto driver, but it's not going to install BIOS, only drivers for it with the system, right? You can enable or disable it. Right now I'm going to enable it, right? Because you see enable it. It's not going to set up a BIOS. This is not for BIOS, only for any kind of connections that you have on the system motherboard, right? So overall, I like this whole setup. We are going to download the Linux BIOS. You do need to use a USB for it and transfer it. So I'll show you how to use that as soon as I download it. So let's go ahead and exit this, save changes, and exit. Yes. Look at that. By setting up the BIOS, this is what happened. You have, do you want one more step to install any of the latest drivers? You say yes and accept, and it's going to look for it using its own built-in application. So yes. And that's pretty much it. It's set it up and it's gonna run right now. When you install Windows, it automatically boot up. I didn't know what it was, but now you can enable it or disable it. Right now there's no servers, there's nothing to set up on this one. I like that. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.